seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
In this workshop, we show the creative process from raw wood to interior artwork. Skilled workers carve, assemble, and arrange natural materials, creating the beauty and uniqueness of every detail. Together with Anjani Interior Bali, we learn to bring space to life with a touch of skilled hands and a heart full of innovation. Make your dream space come true with us.
Be fine.
Welcome to Anjani Interior Design Workshop, a place where ideas come to life. Here, we create custom furniture according to the needs and style of each client. It all starts with a consultation. Our design team listens to your needs, then creates sketches and 3D designs to ensure every detail is as desired. We choose the best quality materials, from solid wood, upholstery fabrics, to durable and aesthetic finishing. In the workshop, the manufacturing process is carried out by our experts with modern equipment. Each part is carefully assembled and refined. After the assembly process is complete, the furniture undergoes quality control and finishing processes to make it look perfect and durable. Custom furniture is ready to be delivered and installed directly at the client's location, ensuring every detail is as expected. At Anjani Interior Design, every piece of furniture is a unique and personalized work of art. Contact us to make your dream furniture come true.
My head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Nah, cermin ini ada tiketnya.
Berapa apa ini?
Ini gambarnya.
Cermin berapa tebalnya, Pak?
Cermin 1,5.
Nah, ini atas. Ini panel.
And it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, they could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home and stuff. I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuff under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong, why you never said you felt that way. Try to stay strong and think it's fine until I look away. But I know it feels wrong, hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. You should try to stay strong and fade what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.